how to buy market.fund token. So this token came under the symbol of market. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply scroll below, fund your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now, as you can see, before going on about this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. And don't forget to check the Telegram channel chat. Now, as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created 14 hours ago and increased by 10,000% in the last 24 hours. Now, to be able to buy this token, just click here to copy the token address and open your fund to monitor that. As you can see, after that, click here on swap. Now, make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now, click here and paste token address in the search bar. Now, as you can see, if you don't see it here on your wallet, now you can change the wallet to another wallet. I will use the BITGET wallet for that. Now, for example, just log into your wallet. I will just show you how to buy this token on your BITGET wallet. So first of all, select the Solana as a network from the top right corner. Click on this plus icon. Now you can paste the token address in the search bar. And as you can see, our token, it's available on BITGET wallet. Now click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet to be able to find your token and select it. Now keep searching until you find it. It's called the market. As you can see, this is it. Now click on it. So here, click on swap. As you can see, now switch from here, and now from the top you can select the token that you want to buy with. For example, USDT. Now you can type how much you want to buy, and here you will be able to see how much you receive of that token. As you can see, so you can now click on swap and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy market token. If you found it very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.